What are you doing?
Fixing my. Oh, are you recording?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, you
I
know
thought
I
you were
am.
taking like a picture at first. I was like, that's gonna be an ugly picture of me on wax.
I wish. So I can blackmail you with it.
Oh, I don't care.
Even
I
though
take
it's not my
embarrassment.
camera.
And then I'd put it on MySpace because I'm cool. A lot of the time I remember to wear this, you're not.
I know.
So very cherry.
So very, very true.
Bum, bum, ba, ba, ba.
Ba da 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 da.
It's 104.
Yes, it is. You look like a fish.
You're a fish.
I
In the
know.
pants. Ew.
Don't tell anyone.
Fishy, fishy, fishy.
Ew.
Baby.
Baby.
Ooh, ah.
Hoo-ah.
You're not even recording anything.
Going over here.
Aw, I missed my wet
Aw,
part.
baby.
Baby, baby, baby.
Oh.
Chicken with bacon. I like to be shaken, not stirred.
I like to be shaken, not stirred.
Yeah. Yeah. I remember the fun dip day.
Oh, yeah.
And when the period day.
Oh, my God.
And then I farted.
And then I farted. When don't you fart? God.
I know. I'm okay with admitting that.
I know.
It's kind of funny. Ow.
I guess.
And then when I laugh really hard, I like pee my pants. I seriously
Only
do.
that one time, I hope.
No, I've done it before. One time I did it with Jayla.
Oh, I thought you were saying, like, over my house. I was like,
Oh
what?
no, I haven't peed my pants at your house. At my house, I have them with you.
Yeah, I know.
Do you remember like one of the first times we hung out? When we went to Walmart when it was like cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, I peed my pants that day when we were in
You
Walmart.
did not tell me that.
When we were in Walmart, and they were those gray pants that you could like see, so that's why I was like covering. And that's why I changed pants right when I got home, because we were laughing so hard and I peed my pants.
Did you tell me about that? I don't think you even told me about that. You're like, I have to change my pants.
I know. Well, what do you want me to say? Hey, Sarah, we haven't hung out a lot. We've hung out sometimes, but guess what? I just peed my pants because we were laughing. Want to be friends?
I would have been like, okay, cool.
To you
with that booty.
That's such a gay song.
Gerp. That's
Like Sarah.
overrated.
Someone said Lil Wayne was overrated and I wanted to smack him.
Oh my god, Lil Wayne's never gonna be overrated.
It sounds like my stomach's flapping.
Ew, it probably is, fatty.
It's my phone. I don't have fat.
Fat in the back.
That's a butt.
Get away from me.
You know what?
know what?
What?
Nice nose.
Why are you filming my arm?
Look at this fat that's singing. He's a fatty watty.
Eat 40.
He's funny. I like curling up like this.
I like curling up next to you at night. And I'm spooning you.
Get away. Gross person. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to the friends.
Like that. Oh, you ate my titties. Say bye, faggot.
Bye, faggot.